Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to see trending audios on Instagram. So let's get started the video. Open the Instagram app and tap the Reels icon at the bottom of your screen. This will take you to the Reels page where you can explore videos and see what's trending. As you scroll through Reels, pay attention to the music name or sound label at the bottom of each video. If a song is trending, you will see a small upward arrow next to the audio name. This icon means the audio is popular and currently trending on Instagram. When you find a trending audio you like, tap on the audio name at the bottom. This will open an audio page where you can see all reels using that sound. If you want to use the audio later, tap Save Audio. This will save it to your audio library on Instagram so you can easily access it when you are ready to create a reel. When you are ready to make your own reel, go to the Reel section, tap the audio option and find the saved audio in your collection. Then you can create a reel using the trending audio. You can also visit Instagram's Explore page to find popular and trending reels. Simply go to the search bar, browse through reels and look for videos with the upward arrow next to the audio name. So there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.